Hello students, I have come with a problem which is I know confusing all of you. So here is a problem which you have to solve using properties. Now this problem requires a lot of manipulations. First of all, in your mind just think about the properties of rational numbers which you know. So now in the problem we have been given that we have to solve this using some properties. So what are the main properties of rational numbers? Just let us see them. We have the commutative property in which we can change the order in addition and in multiplication. You can see the order has been changed, and here also we can change the order. But it's not applicable in division and subtraction. Next main property is the distributive property, where you can see two expressions of multiplication are being added and their first term is same. The first term of these multiplication expressions have the same term. So we can write this term as a common to both and put the other terms in the bracket. The same can be done for subtraction also. These two multiplication expressions are being subtracted here and the first term is same. It is 1 by 8, 1 by 8. So we can simply take out 1 by 8 and put the leftover things inside. So these are the two properties now. So we are well aware of these properties, but how to apply these properties in our question? This is the main problem. So now first let us see, is there any fraction or any rational number which is coming, which is repeating? So we can see it's 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is getting repeated. So by any case can we apply the distributive property? In distributive property we have two expressions which are being added or subtracted and the first term is same. So but here we can see that in this second term it's not a multiplication expression. So first I would do one thing, I would just use colors to write so that things are more clear to you. Now again see, now here when we look at, now 3 by 5 has become more visible after using colors. But now if I compare it with my distributive property, in distributive property I need two expressions of multiplication which are being added. So you can see them clearly if I put the brackets. So you can see two multiplication expressions are either being added or they are being subtracted. But in our question we have 3 by 5. One thing is that it is not coming in the beginning here, and another thing is this is not a multiplication expression. So one problem which we can solve is that we can put it in the beginning using the commutative property. This 3 by 5, this one we can put in the beginning because we can change order in multiplication using commutative property. So first let's do that. Same. Now again if I compare it with my distributive property, still the first expression is a multiplication one, but the second one is not. So what we can do, I can simply do this. Now can you see two multiplications expressions emerging out and they are being subtracted? And if you now compare it with the distributive property, the first term is the same. See, the first term is the same and they are being subtracted. So what am I going to do is I'm just simply going to take out the first term. So like in the right hand side of the distributive property, the same thing I have done here. So now we need to simply solve it. So let's solve it. So we have got the answer now. I hope the manipulation that we need to do to use properties in rational numbers is a little bit clear to you. I'll be coming up with more videos of this kind. So keep waiting and keep watching.